Alright folks, it's more reference. We got CSX Monroe train W986 coming southbound, about to cross the NS Diamond on the CSX Monroe Subdivision, South Carolina. He's got a Caboose also. Unfortunately, it's just an empty highway, just the engine, an empty flat car, but the cool thing is the Caboose. Oh my goodness, folks, it is so cold. The wind is really blowing. Oh, and today, folks, it's my birthday. I'm 41 years old today. So I'm out spending my birthday a little bit this morning watching some trains. Gotta go back, then I got done watching trains, go back home this evening and spend the rest of my birthday with my family.
W986 Main South, stop soon.
And then when I get back home this evening, I'm gonna have a little party and spend my birthday with my family at home.
It's Main South, they approach, you know.
Alright folks, here we go, here he comes.
CSX 58320 to 471, got a medium clear side in Main, north inland or northbound.
Out, folks. All right, folks, and that was CSX Monroe train W986. Heading southbound across the NS Diamond, CSX Monroe Subdivision in Cheshire, South Carolina. Thank y'all very much for watching. God bless. That was very cool. That was a cool catch for my birthday. There we go. One more train coming. We got a corn train coming. We're going to get him next.